Hi, I want to show you how to move and rearrange apps on Google Pixel 9a. Firstly, let's open Launcher by swiping up. And now simply find app you want to add to your home screen. For that, you need to press and hold it and move it up a bit. And then find position to which you want to drag it. Also, you can drag it across the border to move to the next page, or if you had just one page or two and so on, then with this way you can create new page on your home screen and then drop it on this recently created page. To remove it from home screen, press and hold it and drag to this position, remove. Then it will be removed only from the home screen, but it will remain still in Launcher. If you drag to uninstall, then you will delete this app. Now here we got Docs, so you can press and hold app from Docs as well, remove it, and drag here something else. On that place, you will see suggestions for an app, but you can choose Don't Suggest App and manually drag here any app you want to see in this panel of most used apps. This Google search bar you cannot remove, unfortunately, so it will remain still right here, but you can tap on settings and here customize it a little bit. So you can also create this type of home screen, not like in lines, but in columns, so you can customize it as you want to. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.